Did you know Facebook is paying people in multiple ways? Most people only think about ads, but there are two best side hustles for extra money from Facebook right now, without even going viral and zero investment. Facebook Blue Tick Service, Meta Verified. You might have seen influencers and businesses with that blue check mark next to their names. But what most people don't realize is that Meta Verified is more than just a status symbol. It's actually a money-making tool. You can provide Blue Tick Meta Verified service to businesses. What is Meta Verified? Meta launched this subscription service that allows individuals and businesses to verify their accounts and get exclusive perks. How does this help you make money? Increased visibility. Your posts get prioritized in comments, searches, and recommendations. More reach equals more engagement equals more money. Better brand trust. If you run a business, people are more likely to buy from verified profiles. Exclusive monetization features. Meta is rolling out extra tools only for verified users, like exclusive content monetization. Facebook Manager and Social Media Agency. Do you know how to post content, manage a page, and run ads? If yes, businesses are willing to pay you big to handle their Facebook presence. How can you make money? Manage Facebook pages for businesses. Charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per month per client. Offer content creation and social media strategy. Many businesses struggle with Facebook. You can be their solution. If you have social media skills, this is a goldmine opportunity.